What's going on YouTube? This is BX Bomber 718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC Gaming Headphones. That's right, I picked this gem up off of Asus's US store for $99.99, okay? So I wanted to get something to go with my Asus ROG Phone 5. And I wanted something Asus branded, right? A true wireless headset that was Asus branded. I seen this being advertised about 4 months ago, and I've been waiting for it to be released, and they finally did it. So I went ahead and purchased it, and this will complete my mobile setup with my Asus ROG Phone 5. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over the specs with you guys real quick, and then we'll proceed with the unboxing. All right, so this has a 27-hour battery, and that's split up between the actual headset itself and the case that it's in. It is promoted to have a low latency wireless audio mode, a gaming mode that offers greater synchronization of audio with video. It has active noise cancellation. It has a hybrid ANC technology that detects and filters out noise coming from inside and outside the earbuds, enabling immersive audio experiences. It also has quick charge technology, wireless charging. Case can be charged conveniently via wireless charging. Touch control, simple quick touch controls enable rapid in-game adjustments. It's also water resistant, right? It's IPX4 rated, splash proof water resistance. And they also have this in Moonlight White. So if you do get a white Asus ROG Phone 5 or 6, you can get this headset to go with it. All right, so I'm gonna go over some more detailed specs for you. That was just the promotional specs that we see Asus do. But let's go ahead and go into the more granular specs, okay? All right, so this is a Bluetooth headset. The driver material is neodymium magnet. The driver size is 10 millimeters. The headphones impedance is 32 ohms. The headphones frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. The microphone pickup pattern is omnidirectional. Microphone sensitivity is negative 38 decibels. The microphone frequency response is 100 hertz to 10 kilohertz. The AI noise canceling microphone, does it have that? Nope. Does it have active noise canceling? Yes. It's stereo channel speakers. It does not have Asus Aura lighting on the actual headset itself. I think it does have it on the case, but it may not be able to sync with the app on the phone. The battery with the headset itself is 4.8 hours plus 17 hours with the case, and that's with active noise canceling on. When you turn active noise canceling off, you get 5.5 hours plus 21.5 hours from the case, okay? The weight, the headphones, each side is 5 grams, and the charging case itself is 42 grams. And this is the black color. The accessories that come with it is 2 pairs of ear tips, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. All right, and this also supports SBC and AAC audio codecs. All right, so let's go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. But first, let me show you around the actual box itself. So at the top here, you have the Asus ROG Eye logo with the Republic of Gamers wording right there. Bluetooth. Here's an image of the headset itself. It says ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC Gaming Headphones. On the left, we have the ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC Gaming Headphones with the ROG Eye and Republic of Gamers writing right there. At the top, we just have the ROG Eye. All right, on the right side, we have some fine print information, just talking about true wireless headphones, Bluetooth earphones, and some other stuff in other languages. On the bottom is sensitive serial number information that you guys don't need to see, but if we turn it around, on the back it says ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC Gaming Headphones, low latency, wireless audio, perfect synchronization of in-game audio and visual, hybrid active noise cancellation, immersive listening with minimal outside distractions, 10 millimeter Asus Essence drivers, crystal clear true to life audio, up to 27 hours of battery life with quick charge capability, wireless charging case, wireless or wired USB-C charging, and IPX4 water resistance for additional protection and durability. All right, so let me see if I can get a good, there you go. So you guys can see it, and you can always pause it and read it yourself. All right, so that's what we got for that. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There's some plastic here at the top. Really don't need this knife because there's a little gap here. You can just put your finger in and open it up. I try not to ever speak whenever there is an unwrapping or an unboxing physically because some of you guys are ASMR aficionados. All right, so let's go ahead. There's a tab here at the top that you can pull. Looks like it should be able to pull, but it's not pulling because there is a seal. So let's go ahead and crack that seal open. Okay. Let's crack it open on the other side. Okay, and now we should be able to pull this tab. Okay, now we should be able to pull this tab. Let's see. How does it look like that work? Let's. Wow, this is a whole mission right here. There we go. All right. All right. So here we're presented with the case. It's like a core black. Okay, here's the case right here. Has the ROG eye on it. And there's a little indent right here. You can put your finger in and lift it up. All right, and you get some lighting right here. Here's your ROG Aura lighting right here. The actual headset itself does not have Aura lighting, but the case looks like it does. And I think it's a default Aura lighting, meaning you can't sync with it or change the colors or something like that. Let me take this out. And here's one side right here. Just so you can see. All right. Here's the other side. There we go. All right, we have some charging contacts right there. All right, here's the case itself. It feels pretty lightweight. On the back here is the USB Type-C port for charging. It has a little plastic over it that I'm going to remove. I like that little plastic that they put over it to protect anything from getting in there. And again, this is the light bar right here that we saw when I opened it up. I think this lighting is pretty cool. That goes with the back of the phone that has similar lighting on it. All right, so let's push this aside. Actually, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this inside. All right. There we go. And there's some charging indicators on it. All right. Let's move this out. And we have an inner box here that can be removed with this tab. All right, and we're greeted with additional ear tips or earbuds. And then we have a USB Type A to Type C. This is the charging cable. And then there's some documentation in here. Right here, the ROG Cetra True Wireless. This is a setup guide. And this right here is a warranty card. It says it's a card, but it's an actual booklet. All right, and that's all we're presented with in regards to that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Put this back in here. All right, and finish off with the case. So it looks like this is all it comes with. There's not really much else I can demonstrate with this. If I have any updates on anything I like to point out, I'll make a follow-up video. But I do like the fact that it has the Asus ROG styling. That's a true wireless headset. It's very lightweight. I like the lighting. Again, it goes very well with the Asus ROG Phone 5 and Phone 6 if you have it. The headset itself is very lightweight. It does need a charge, as you can see, so I'm going to plug it in and charge it up. I'm going to sync it, try it out, and if there's anything significant to write home about, I'll do a follow-up video, all right? So thank you guys for watching. Peace.